How to repair League of Legends client. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can repair the League of Legends client. So you can simply install the League of Legends in your PC as well as phone as well. You can go on the Google Play Store, tap for the League of Legends client and then search for the game that you are searching for and then simply install and play it. So how do you repair if any problems occur? You need to follow the following steps. The very first step how you can fix is check your system requirements. Sometimes there might be a problem on your system. So I would highly suggest you to check your system requirements, all the settings and all the systems that you've been using. The second option is to update your drivers. Sometimes the delay on drivers and the non-updation problem also may occur for the lagging of the game. So do update your drivers as well. The third option that you can also follow is update your operating system and also enable low spec mode. So do try these steps and you can simply see how you can do that right here. So you also need to check some basic things like internet connection and everything as well. If you are sure everything is stable and you have fixed all of this problem, there might be some software problem on your PC. So it must be good for you to go on the nearby shop and check it out. So that's how you can solve your problem if it does fix by the following steps. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.